Welcome to our video on how scientists and space agencies are working to prevent potential asteroid impacts on Earth. You know folks, when it comes to the cosmos, it pays to be prepared. It's not every day you get a cosmic curveball hurtling towards your planet, but the universe works in mysterious ways. Let's dive into the primary strategies being explored to make sure we don't go the way of the dinosaurs. Now I know what you're thinking, nuclear weapons? Isn't that a bit extreme? But hear me out. A massive rock needs a massive response. We're not talking about blowing it to smithereens. The strategy is to nudge the asteroid off course. Think of it as a cosmic game of billiards. This method is a last resort, it's risky and requires global cooperation. But if it saves humanity, it's worth considering. Remember that old saying, fight fire with fire? Well, in space, sometimes you have to fight asteroids with spacecraft. The kinetic impactor method is all about sending a projectile crashing into an asteroid to alter its trajectory. It's like playing cosmic pool, except the cue ball is a spacecraft, and the 8-ball is a planet-killing asteroid. The best part? We've already tested this. NASA's DART mission successfully bumped a small asteroid off course in 2022. It was a monumental achievement, proving that we have the capability to deflect asteroids. Who needs brute force when you have the power of physics on your side? The gravity tractor method is all about using a spacecraft's own gravity to gently nudge an asteroid off course. It's like a cosmic game of tug-of-war, where the rope is gravity, and the prize is our planet's survival. Now this method takes time. We're talking years, maybe even decades of slow and steady pulling. But the upside is that it's precise, controllable, and doesn't involve any explosions. Sometimes the most elegant solutions are the simplest ones. Remember those solar sail kits you had as a kid? They might just save the world one day. Solar sails harness sunlight to generate thrust. A reflective sail can push an asteroid off course. It's like sailing on the cosmic sea. This method has enormous potential. Imagine steering asteroids, mining them, and protecting Earth. Who says we can't turn a threat into an opportunity? Asteroid mining has been a science fiction staple for decades, but it's rapidly becoming a reality. Not only could we extract valuable resources from these space rocks, but the very act of mining could help to deflect them. Imagine this: robotic miners tunneling into an asteroid, altering its mass and trajectory, effectively turning a potential hazard into a valuable asset. It's a win-win situation, folks. Now, all of these strategies are great, but they're useless if we don't know what's coming our way. That's why early detection and tracking of near-Earth objects, or NEOs, is absolutely crucial. We need to be vigilant, constantly scanning the skies for any potential threats. Think of it like a cosmic neighborhood watch, except instead of gossiping over fences, we're using telescopes and supercomputers to keep an eye on the cosmos. The sooner we spot a potential impactor, the more time we have to prepare and react, and when it comes to planetary defense, international cooperation is not optional, it's essential. Asteroid impacts are a global threat, and no single nation can tackle this challenge alone. We need to share data, resources, and expertise to ensure the safety of our planet. Think about it. What good is developing a fancy asteroid deflection system if you don't tell anyone else about the incoming threat? That's like keeping the fire extinguisher a secret when your neighbor's house is on fire. It just doesn't make sense. So there you have it, folks. Scientists and engineers are working to protect our planet from asteroid impacts. A combination of strategies and continued research can enhance our ability to protect Earth. The cosmos is vast and mysterious, full of wonders and dangers. With ingenuity and collaboration, we can ensure a brighter future for humanity. Thanks for watching and stay curious.